Good morning, Nubian.
Good morning, Mommy.
How did you sleep last night, baby?
Good.
Really?
Not really, though.
No? Why?
Because you kept snoring all night. Every time I told you it, every time I told you, you still went like. And I told you like 5, 6 times.
That's how I snore? Mommy doesn't snore. I don't snore.
But last night, you know how loud you were snoring? It was louder than a pig.
Hey! It was bad, really?
That loud.
I didn't know that mommy snored.
It was really, really loud. I stayed up until 6 o'clock in the morning.
Really? Was that just an excuse so you could watch TV?
No, the snoring I couldn't sleep because every time I went to close my eyes, I heard. That's all I heard all night until the last time I told you and that's when I fell asleep.
Awesome. I'm glad you got some rest. I love you.
I love you too. I had 2 hours of rest last night.
Shut up.